Today I want to talk about the casual cycle on your washing machine, what it is and how it works and when you should use it. The casual cycle on your washing machine is a cycle that is really gentle, like surprisingly gentle. It was originally made for these permanent press clothes that you could find back in the 50s and 60s, you know, Brooks Brothers. So the idea behind this cycle is that you could pop these clothes into the washer and they would come out without creases. But this cycle is fantastic to use these days as well. It is a very gentle cycle. It doesn't last very long, about half an hour generally, and it uses very low temperature water. We're talking like 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius. So that's kind of at the limit where it starts being a problem with the color bleeding and shrinking, but it's just the perfect spot, I would say. So this cycle, since it is so gentle, it uses low agitation, and it also uses very low spin cycles. We're talking 600 to 800 RPMs here. That makes it perfect for delicate garments. So what kind of delicate garments? Well, I would say pretty much anything that can handle the delicate cycle or synthetics, this is perfect for. So that will be your knitwear, your synthetics, obviously wool goes in there. Overall, all office wear. You know, this was made for like the permanent press stuff. So office wear is perfect for this. Also just casual clothes, like I'm wearing now, like casual t-shirt, sweatpants, you know, this type of stuff. This is also a great setting to have available for like the first time you're going to wash clothes. You know, when you take them from the store and maybe you're a little bit worried, are these things clean? Casual cycle is perfect for that. You just throw them in there. Or for example, if you have a new pair and you're worried about color bleeding, this uses low temperature. Pretty perfect for anything like that. If you're able to replace the regular cycle with this casual cycle when your clothes are not too dirty, you know, this isn't the strongest cycle, so you don't want to use it on, you know, if you've got stains on your garments, it's not really the way to go. But just for like lightly soiled clothes, this is perfect. So if you can switch out the regular, more powerful cycle over to more of these gentle cycles when it's possible, you want to save both the environment and your wallet. Since this is such a short and low heat setting, it doesn't use a lot of resources, neither does it harm the environment so much. So overall, it's a great setting if you have it available on your washing machine. If you don't have this setting available, you can try to substitute it for delicate synthetics or maybe even the wool setting. The wool setting is going to be a little bit weaker though. So yeah, hope you liked this video. I've got a bunch more coming. We're going to do permanent press next here, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.